G'day, you're about to see the HAFCO industrial tool chest, locker and cabinet range. Amazing features. You'll never have an excuse again to have an untidy workshop. Let me show you some of those features. Now, we all have a whole selection of tools, so the important thing is that you have a selection of drawers. Have a look down here. Nice and deep. Nice and wide. Even wider. But importantly, every drawer, because this is the industrial range, every drawer has an industrial rubber mat protecting your contents, your tools. Now, it's all about quality. Quality. These are a bearing slide, and every drawer has a bearing slide, except the bigger drawers, because they get two bearing slides, here and here. So on the bigger drawers, that's what you get. But importantly, every drawer has this rolled edge for extra strength, extra quality. And when you shut the drawers, they're not only easy, but they close so smoothly. A really good feature. Now, your tools are valuable, these are valuable, and that's why with the HAFCO industrial range, every one of them has key lock security. Now, for those of you that like everything in its place, have a look at this. It's a great feature. The labelling comes with it. So you just slide that out, write on what tool you want in what drawer, slide it back in, done. So this is the HAFCO 7-drawer industrial roller cabinet, packed with features. See these handles? They are industrial strength handles. The brakes here, you just saw me wheel it in, brakes are on, now she won't move. Over here, just terrific. You've got 7 drawers as we mentioned, but this is lockable and this is lockable, great security. Open that up. That's an adjustable shelf, so different height things you can adjust for there, including an area here for your workshop manual. Close that up, open this up, because this is an industrial rubber mat. Great for putting your tools on, including the heavy ones that would normally mark things. You can put them all up there and it's fine. Good unit. Now, let me show you the tool chest, because this just has some amazing features. Again, you've got these industrial strength handles, really good. But this is gas strut. That's excellent. Have a look along here, that's all piano hinge. And then you see these, let me show you something. Because if you have this in your garage, or your workshop, or your ute, or your truck, this is really good. I can open those, but when I shut this, they're now automatically locked. Isn't that good? Because what that means is you can have it on the back of your truck, go around a corner, and your drawers aren't flying out. But when you open it up, and you've got the comfort of the gas struts, so easy to do. Brilliant bit of gear. So let me show you the HAFCO industrial 2-drawer locker. Now this is great if you've got an area at work where you want to keep your old clothes, your clean clothes, whatever you want, it's here. Now we've even hung a jacket up to show you that you've got full hanging space. You've got 2 drawers down here. You've got the single drawer and then the double drawer with the double rollers, which is excellent. And an adjustable shelf if you want it. That is just so good. But over here, we've got a 7-drawer cabinet, again with the rubber mat up top, so this is really good if you want to put it under your workbench or anything like that. But again, you've got the 7 drawers, and this is also lockable. Now, the important part is that this whole kit is a system. So if you want to, you can buy 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, all 4 units, and then combine them to make an immense bit of gear for your workshop. And we're going to show you now exactly how that works. Now, the HAFCO Industrial is so flexible and you can do so many things with it. This is the tool chest, this is the roller cabinet, and as you can see, it fits perfectly on top. So it's adaptable, flexible, whatever you want it to be, but it gives you so much more tool space, and yet you're taking up no more floor space. Just genius. Now, how clever is this? Here is your locker, and it's now hanging and securely done on the rest of your tool chest. All we've done is taken the handles off, because there is hooks here, and again, there's hooks over here, so it doesn't matter what side you want to hang it on. You can hang it on this side, bring it over here, there's hooks again, hang it on this side. Just genius. Now, doesn't that look great? All I did was take this handle off here, this now fits on here. It could fit over there if you wanted to, and bring that one back over here. It is that good. And this is real equipment. It's not something you're going to get out of a hardware shop. It's not something you're going to get out of an auto shop. This is, importantly, high quality. So where do you get yours? You go to the Machinery House website or go to your local store.